Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
I really be forgetting how loud this car is sometimes, like. Alright y'all boys, man, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another smooth POV for y'all boys. All we really gonna be doing, man, we just cruising downtown, you feel me, in the wide body Hellcat, the blueberry mobile. I had woke up and realized like I ain't never really drove through downtown during the daytime, you feel me? Actually get to see what's over here. So I was like, fuck it. As y'all can see, this is what the car's sitting like right now though. Let me know any other mods that I need to do to this car. But I'll catch y'all boys on the road. I really be forgetting how loud this car is sometimes, like, this shit's OD loud. Oh my Lord. Comment down below what wrap y'all want to see on this car. I'm finna get a wrap soon. Comment down below any color suggestions, whatever y'all got, you feel me? It could be a design, a color suggestion, whatever. Bro, I'm genuinely feeling every bump with these springs on, bruh. I only gotta go a quarter, what? I only gotta go a quarter throttle and this bitch is gonna, you feel me, scream, bruh. I'm in love with this car, man. This wrap finna take it to the top tier, you feel me? Boy, oh boy, Michael, I could truly see myself living downtown. Like, that's somewhere I do want to live, I ain't gonna lie. I like the, you feel me? I like being around well, not necessarily being around everything, but I like, you feel me, a fast-paced city type vibe. I feel like my second place that I go live at, like my second apartment, is definitely gonna be downtown. After that, I don't know where I'm gonna go, but I'm gonna stay downtown for probably a while. I wanna live like somewhere more chill first, just so I get the, you feel me, the grass of living, you know what I'm saying, by yourself or whatever, before I move downtown. But downtown is definitely one of my destinations. Boy, oh boy. What the hell going on? I do want to tour some apartments down here though, sooner or later, you feel me? I gotta get some price estimates on what it's looking like down here. They talking about some 5-6 bands, I ain't doing it. These downshifts hit something different down here, boy. I can't lie. I wish the camera could truly pick up the feeling and the sound, you feel me? But it's only gonna do so much through a screen. gotta watch out for 12 though, you feel me? I ain't trying to be on 12 radar. Oh shit, there go a cop back there, a sheriff. It's a white second gen Charger. It's a sheriff back there. There go another sheriff back there, you feel me? Like you gotta be chill. I can't, oh shit, I can't go too crazy. I love the backfire, man. You can't go wrong with the backfire. I'm realizing that I've never driven around downtown in the daytime, you feel me? I really don't know where I'm going, I'm just driving. I don't know what bro was yelling, but hey. Damn, no turn right, I'm slow. That's one thing I don't like about downtown though. These roads, like what you mean I can't turn there? Like what? Like I turn where I want, I'm a big dog. Boy, I hate intersections like this, bro. Like, hey, bro, you better see me coming through. Boy, oh boy. I go underground soon. I don't think I'll be able to drive through here, man. They're gonna think it's a shootout going on. I remember when Cybertrucks first dropped, everybody was hyping them shits up. Now, like, you see them, they just like another car now. I think they dropped the price on them hella too. That's why you see them a lot. Big ass Lego brick. Downshifts don't get old. I can truly see myself living down here though, for real. Like, just gotta get used to the area and learn my way around this bit. Which I'm low-key doing right now, like. Damn, this road terrible, what the fuck? Oh, so you can't even turn right now. Like, bro, that's what's gonna fuck me up, bro. Like, you feel me? I'm so used to the regular, you know what I'm saying? I'm used to regular roads. Like, I'm used to being able to turn right every street, but I can't even turn right half these streets. Love hearing that little whine, you feel me? That's what I bought the cat for. Oh, there go an undercover cop right there. Yeah, it's probably best I don't go straight. Let me turn right. Y'all see him? He got the little, I don't know if y'all can see it, was an all black Charger. I ain't trying to get booked, boy. Ain't trying to get no ticket. You know, they'll make you a ticket for anything, a muffler ticket, like, bruh. Yeah, these roads is something I'm definitely gonna have to get used to, cause like, damn. Like, bro, like, come on. Shit. That boy started beeping the horn and he told me to pat that bitch. Nah, we. Like, bro, what are these roads? Oh, there go an EV scat pack right there. Who that boy feeling like? I seen somebody made a wide body kit for the EV scat packs. I ain't gonna lie, that low key look tough. Like, them things with a wide body kit, that's smooth. It's just obviously if it had my engine in it, you feel me? Like, it would be way tougher. Damn. Being able to wake up, drive a wide body Hellcat downtown, you feel me? Like, bruh, used to watch POVs about this shit all the time, literally. Used to watch Quan POVs all the time, literally. That's who literally got me into this Mopar shit. I ain't gonna cap. My first POV vid I ever watched, like in general, was his Trackhawk vid. And that's what made me pick Mopar for real, over Chevy. But I gotta give me a crib down here, man. These buildings beautiful. Boy, oh boy, cat got bubble guts. Feel like once I get more, you feel me, some more exposure to myself, my channel, I'm gonna branch off and make 2 more channels. I'm gonna make a channel with just POVs, and I'm gonna have this main channel, the STOLN SRT channel, as my you know what I'm saying, like, not vlog, but like, you feel me, the type vids I made, like the one when we was popping fireworks and shit, like the thumbnails that you see my face in, like those type vids I want to make on this channel. Then I want to make a POV channel. Then I want to make a kind of more like a vlog channel, you feel me, like just what I be doing that's not car related all the time. I would do it right now, but I want to build my name up on this one platform first. So you feel me, the people that know me here can branch off versus trying to find a whole new people on another platform, you feel me? Smell like piss out here, ugh. That's another thing too, bro. The cops down here, they nowhere near as bad as like Atlanta cops, you feel me? Like as long as you chilling, you good, but up there, bro, like I be seeing the videos, people get pulled over for nothing. I guess I'm on the good end of that stick, you feel me? I ain't really been getting harassed by police, which thank God, you feel me? Keep it that way. Shit, all right, y'all boys, man. I appreciate y'all for checking this vid out for sure. Make sure y'all boys follow my Instagram, tap that like button, share this vid, do whatever you gotta do. But I'll catch y'all boys in the next one.
Money, clothes, and pretty hoes, that's like my favorite trio.